All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. Now, the Reggae Boyz goalkeeper coach Andrew Sewell has sent some stuff in an interview with the Observer, and most definitely I'll be running through it. But one of the most notable things he said is that we saw some games. We saw the game of Dom versus El Salvador. And he said that he saw the weakness and he also saw the strengths, and those aspects were noted. We're going to get into details. We're going to get into articles, and let's see what else he has to say about the Dom team, and let's see what else he has to say about our chances of qualifying in the last 2 decades, from the last 2 decades to the Under-20 World Cup. We'll see. But anyways, if you smash a like button, most definitely hit the subscribe button as well. As you know, we'd really appreciate it if you do so. Now let's get straight into the article. Let's get a better understanding. Let's read for ourselves and see what it's saying, people. I'm trying to make sure that you guys can see what the article is saying. Good. So we're gonna start from the top, people. Let's start from the top. So he said Under-20 boys on phase in pursuit of World Cup qualification. Article was done by Sanjay Myers. Was released this morning by the Gleaner. Now, Jamaica Under-20 goalkeeper coach Andrew Sewell says that while the nervy 2-1 victory over 9-man Haiti at the CONCACAF Championship on Sunday was far from their finest display, they poured out plenty of desire and determination to get over the line. Jamar Clark got opening goal for the Reggae Boyz in the 4th minute of the round of 16 contest at Estadio Olympiaco Metropolitano and San Pedro Sula, Honduras. But though down to 10 players after Captain Fernando Ciceron was red carded in the 25th minute, the slick moving Asians equalized in the 50th through the impressive Stevenson Judy. 80 went down to 9 players in the 75 minute when Lucas Perry, who was initially cautioned in the 37th minute, was also sent off after he was shown a second yellow card. The Jamaicans, guided by head coach Marcel Gales, capitalized not longer after that, with Tarek Zimenez grabbing the winner in the 83rd minute. The game was tough because some of the guys were kind of nervous and tense. Even when 80 went down to 9 men, Sewell told the Jamaica Observer. So that's something that as fans, we would have observed that we still didn't settle into the game, even after the team went down to 10 men, to 9 men and 10 men, to 10, then 9 men. Even after that, we still didn't really assert ourselves in the game. The coach instructions were to keep the ball and pass the ball around, but the players were so eager that they started to play out of character. It wasn't our best performance, but at this stage of the competition, the result is what's matter. And we got the victory, the goalkeeper coach said. However, he suggested a better showing is on the cards as they prepare for a quarterfinals opponent, Dominican Republic, on Wednesday. Let's go down further. Anything that needs to be fixed, we only have 2 days to fix, Sewell said. Our opponents are going to be Dominican Republic, and we sat down as a team and watched their game versus El Salvador. So that's good. That's quite good to know that you guys actually see what you're going up against and saw some of their weaknesses and strengths. So we just have to go prepare for those, he noted. In the quarterfinals, defending champions United States are up against Costa Rica, Panama face on host Honduras, and 13-time regional Under-20 champion Mexico are pitted next to Guatemala. The 4 teams which advance to the semifinals will book a spot to the FIFA Men's Under-20 World Cup in Indonesia next year. The finalists will also secure qualification to the 2024 Paris Summer Olympic Games. Surprisingly, I thought the Olympics would actually be a wider scale where more teams would have advanced to the Olympics and less would have advanced to the World Cup. But anyways, I'm happy for that same way. Hopefully we can get it over the line. As Jamaica grapples with widespread acts of violent crime on daily basis. Why is this necessary? Sewell said players and staff hunting the country's second berth at the Under-20 World Cup after previously qualifying in the 2001 showpiece are motivated to progress and lift the spirit of the nation. The victory against Haiti is massive and is a good thing for the country right now. Based on the violence in Jamaica, we are using it as motivation to bring some form of joy back to Jamaica. We are playing it for everyone in Jamaica and in the diaspora, he told the Observer. So that's Andrew Sewell, for those who don't know, one of the best goalkeeper coaches in Jamaica. Really, really talented as well. Very, very talented goalkeeper coach. As you can see, that's here Christopher Pearson. Senior member of the Under-20 team. But anyways, people, I'm happy to know that the team actually are doing their research and they are prepared and confident in getting the job done. I'm really happy to know that they are prepared. They are prepared and they will be prepared and they are confident about getting the job done. Now, the problem is this now, is that he said they have 2 days to fix whatever needs to be fixed. Why? We shouldn't be fixing right now still, but anyways, I'm on the positive side. I do hope that we can get it over Domrep. From what I saw from the Domrep team, a fast, attacking, aggressive type of team, I'm hoping that we can really look into that aspect of their game and see how well we can capitalize on their poor defensive structure. That is something I think we can capitalize on. I won't beat the boys for the hard work that they're putting so far. It's not easy, people. It's not easy. It's truly not easy. And they have really carried us a far way. We're in the quarterfinals. We need to look at that. We're in the quarterfinals. Yes, we might believe the team is not playing as though we'd want them to play, but we are in the quarterfinals. We're in the quarterfinals, one game away from making it to the World Cup. And I don't want it to be a case in which I'm here and I told you so. I want us to rally up behind the boys and give them our full support. Anyways, people, I'm going to close out now. Hopefully, you guys can go over our socials and follow us. As I said earlier, people, I'm looking for some people who are very knowledgeable in different sporting departments to help us or to join our team. So make sure you guys can reach out to us on our socials. Until next time, people, MG Sports TV, Military Gona TV, people, we are out.